So it's July 1st and it's been months since I've made the last video. I told you I had to think a while. And last we chatted, the water lasted about 2 weeks and then it would slowly disappear. But one thing I noticed is the water would flow this way towards that tree that we talked about that I didn't want to cut. So it must have, the roots must have went in between the bedrock, and that's where the water seeps out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, you know how it's connected going this way, I'm going to go right around the tree really quick. I'm not going to spend the amount of time that I usually do because it's been hot out here, super hot in Texas, and it's been dry for the last couple months. We're kind of hitting a drought again, and I feel like this is the best way, so I'm just going to cut through this and go around the tree and go that way. And that's what I feel like is going to be the best method. If that doesn't work, I'm completely lost. But this always seems to stay, and like I said, once it filters in this way, the water, it slowly dissipates. So that's going to be my next strategy right there. Here it is after the cement. I got to let it dry, then dust it off. Super quick shot. Good, about a day or two. All right, out. Hey, so it's July 3rd. It's about a day or two later. Like I said yesterday, I put cement on it. And if you can tell, this is the old side right here. Old. And remember, it used to stretch around the tree that way. You can still kind of see it. What I did was I started a new one right here and kind of went around. One of the viewers told me that maybe that root system on that tree's kind of gone into that solid bedrock. And so if it did, if I go around it, like I did right here, maybe all this will finally trap. It's not going to be too deep because I didn't go super far back, but it's, like I said, it's in the middle of the summer. It's really hot out here. It's almost 11 o'clock and it's already in the 90s. So I'm not sticking out here too many days on this. I'm kind of getting frustrated, but I still want to keep trying. This part right here, another viewer told me maybe it's just soaking in through there. I think if it does, it's going at a slower pace. But let's see what happens next. Like I said, we're in a drought. If it does rain, I don't think it's going to stay very long. The ground's just going to suck it up. But here's the new side. There it is right there. Kind of went on this way. I didn't give it as thick of a painting as the other side. There's the back side that I kind of just gave up on. Just because I don't want to be out here too long and I'm a little low on paint. I'm about a third of a gallon left on that paint that I bought from Lowe's, the Drylock. So let's hope it does what it's supposed to be doing. But there's your update. Let's hope it goes. And I got to get on out of here. All right, guys. I'm out.